Vermiculture is a culture of worms mainly in order to use them to convert organic waste into fertilizer.
Actually, we started this vermiculture because we saw many farmers are struggling to get fertilizers to lift their yield in their farms. And vermiculture, actually, these are red worms that actually multiply at a very high rate.
Using organic waste, you are able to cultivate the worms to produce fertilizer. This helps farmers to return nutrients that had been removed to the soil and enhances the condition of the soil.
You see, these worms feed on organic or decomposing matters. And these decomposing materials have a lot of nutrients that crops need. And mostly when you harvest weeds from the shamba, you throw them away, you don't actually add value to the soil. But if they are eaten by these worms, they make a fertilizer from the different types of organic materials from the field, and then they are able to replace that to the plants when actually you top dress or you use it during planting time.
The organic matter in the soil then increases nutrients and water retention, creating a soil which allows air to get to the roots, thereby reducing the impacts of erosion. The worms eat organic waste, and their poo is balanced fertilizer that adds plant nutrients and boosts crop yields. The worms are fed once in a week. The farmer harvests the vermi liquids once a week and the vermi solid once a month. According to Julia Naitore, the farm manager, this saves a lot as it reduces the cost on pesticides and fertilizers, and farmers can make money out of it too.
Let's say when you come to producing this, actually you are not producing it for your own good only. You can sell it to other farmers who are maybe having a very small shamba and they can actually not build something like that. You can sell the solid fertilizer, which we sell at 80 shillings per kg. Can also sell the vermi liquid that we are selling at 100 shillings per liter. And also that
Real Impact is a demo farm where farmers can learn all about vermiculture. If one is not able to build a structure like this one here, there is a worm bin that can contain worms and allow them enough space to create the fertilizer.
if you don't have money to build a vermiculture unit, you can also use a bucket that we call a worm bin that will be self-contained. The worms will be there and there will be a tub for you to harvest the vermi liquid. And on top, you can harvest the vermi fertilizer. And also the multiplication of worms will be already continuing. So you are going to benefit from the three: the liquid, the worms, and the solid fertilizer.
After harvesting, the vermi solids are dried, then crushed for use. For the liquid, it must be diluted before use. The worms are useful in organic waste recyclers. Screened vermicomposting serves as an excellent potting media. After vermicomposting, the worms can also be recovered for use as fishing bait or poultry feeds. Marete Salvin, GBS News.